Right, hello guys, my name is Mr. Raidrapper 2006, here bringing you a parody. Guys, I'm going to be singing Chocolate Rain from, I forgot the girl's name, but no copyright, no copyright. It's my version. I've changed the lyrics, because I don't want to get done by copyright. That means my video will get taken down, well this one. So, right there guys. 3, 2, 1. Every single man can feel the pain. Chocolate rain. Ever gonna die, 'cause this is chocolate rain. When the earth moves and then chocolate rain, chocolate rain. Every single person can get chocolate rain. You will never ever lose, 'cause chocolate rain. Every single man got feel the same. Chocolate rain. Chocolate rain is the man that controls the earth. Chocolate rain. Better rain tonight with chocolate. Chocolate rain. Every single movie, then the movie. Chocolate rain. Every single dance comes to me. Chocolate rain. Every single dance comes to me. Chocolate rain. Hope you liked it, guys. I did exactly what that guy did. Thumbs up to that guy who sung that song. It's awesome. Cool name. That was it. I just takes a rap like donkey, what you do, you donkey. Also, guys, please don't hate. Guys, please don't hate. I want you to like that dude's video. Like it, give it thumbs up. Give it thumbs up, guys, and make sure you comment saying check out Mr. Raidrapper 2006. He's made a parody of your 6th video. Get it? 'Cause 6 and 6 hexagon, guys. If you're still in primary like I am, hexagon. Teacher says, what's 6-sided shape? Hexagon. Guys, you're listening. 'Cause if you get that test wrong, I'm whipping you. I am. The first answer is going to be 4, 'cause it's going to be 2 and 2. It's going to be 4. Then it's going to be probably something like 10 times 6 or something, which is 60. Or 2 times 10, 20. Or 9 times 9, 81. No, guys, if you're in like year 1 or something, they won't give you 9 times 9. But if they do, it's 81. I'm a math genius. Oh! All I'm kidding, guys, I'm so bad at maths. I mean, seriously. So get the out there and cause this chocolate rain.